Hey there, science fans. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey? Ever wonder what happens to your food after you take a bite? It's not just about chewing and swallowing. Get ready for a wild ride through your digestive system. This journey is full of twists and turns. Imagine it's like a giant food processing factory inside you, working non-stop to keep you going. This system is super important because it breaks down all that yummy food into tiny pieces, making it easier for your body to absorb. Then your body can use those pieces for energy, growth, and all sorts of cool stuff. The journey starts in your mouth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Your teeth are the first to get to work, breaking down the food into smaller, manageable pieces. This is the first step in the digestive process, and it's crucial for making sure your body can absorb all the nutrients it needs. Your teeth break down the food into smaller bits. Each bite is like a mini workout for your jaw muscles, and it helps to make the food easier to swallow and digest. Your tongue gets in on the action, moving the food around and mixing it with saliva. The tongue is incredibly agile and strong, helping to ensure that every bit of food is coated with saliva. Saliva is like a superhero sidekick. It contains enzymes that start breaking down the food even further, making it easier for your stomach to handle. Plus, it helps to moisten the food, turning it into a soft, slippery substance called a bolus. It makes the food slippery so it can slide down your esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach, and it uses rhythmic contractions to push the food down. The esophagus is like a slide that carries the food down to your stomach. Gulp! Once the food reaches your stomach, the next phase of digestion begins, but that's a story for another chapter. Whoa, we've reached the stomach. This is where the real party begins. The stomach is like a mixing machine, churning and mashing the food with powerful acids. These acids break down the food even further. The stomach also releases the food slowly into the small intestine. Hold on tight, the small intestine is one long and winding tube, like a roller coaster. In the small intestine, more juices and enzymes break down the food into super tiny pieces. These enzymes are like little scissors, cutting the food into even smaller bits. These tiny pieces, called nutrients, are absorbed into your blood. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny finger-like structures called villi, which help in this absorption process. The blood carries these nutrients all over your body. This is how your body gets the energy and nutrients it needs to function properly. Next stop, the large intestine. Here, the journey continues as the remaining food moves into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed from the leftover food. This process helps to keep your body hydrated and ensures that the waste is more solid. What's left is waste that your body doesn't need. This waste material is what will eventually be expelled from your body. Finally, the waste makes its exit through the rectum and out of your body. This is the final step in the digestive process. And there you have it. The entire journey of your food, from the moment you eat it to the moment it leaves your body. The amazing journey of your food. It's incredible how your body processes and uses the food you eat. From your plate to, well, every bite you take goes through this complex and fascinating process. Keep those digestive juices flowing. Your body relies on this amazing system to keep you healthy and energized.